Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this lovely T-ROC Cabriolet design we've currently got for sale, finished in pure white. It features the 1.5 TSI petrol engine producing 150 PS with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. You'll have peace of mind motoring of this vehicle as well with a full Volkswagen service history. And starting off at the front of the vehicle, you've got adaptive cruise control, so perfect for those motorway journeys, alongside power folding and heated wing mirrors, and these lovely 17-inch alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly. Moving towards the rear, there's a generous amount of boot space available with split folding seats which you can fold down by pulling on those levers each side, so plenty of room for a couple of suitcases there. Moving inside, you get lovely pattern cloth seats with a contrasting white stitching and also ISOFIX points. At the front there's the leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel alongside an adjustable centre armrest. Alongside digital radio and multiple media functions such as your Bluetooth, you'll also benefit from Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. There's multiple driver modes available, including a sport setting for a more dynamic drive, and to help with parking there's front and rear parking sensors with audible warnings. A little bit further down the cabin is dual zone climate control on offer, with a little bit of storage below and a couple of USB ports, allowing you to charge multiple devices on the move. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you'd like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.